Okay, example 5, it's a y squared, so it's going to have the same standard form as example 3, y minus k squared is equal to 4p x minus h. Just switches. So here we're going to isolate the y, because we have y squared, that dictates that we're going to isolate the y and write our squared and complete the square on the y. So I'm going to add, get rid of the other two terms, and start with the equation y squared minus 6y equals 12x minus 33. All right, again, negative 6 over 2 squared equals negative 3 squared, which means I'm going to add 9 to both sides. All right, y squared minus 6y plus 9, I can rewrite as a binomial squared, y minus 3, all squared. And if you're not sure where I got that 3, just a reminder, it's that number that's inside our formula before we square it, equals 12x minus 24. Oops, wrong color. I know, like it matters. Okay, so left-hand side looks great. The right-hand side can be factored. And now I'm going to identify h and k. K is always with the y. H is always with the x. And let's take 12, make it equal to 4p, and go ahead and divide. And we get p equals 3. Okay, that'll allow us to fill in our vertex, which is at hk. The focus is at h plus p k. All right, so h is 2 plus p is 3, comma k is also 3, which leads to the ordered pair 5, 3. Our directrix is at x equals h minus p. So we get x equals 2 minus 3, gives the equation x equals -1. And the axis of symmetry is at y equals k. So y equals 3. Done. Okay. Find the equation of a parabola with the vertex at 0, 0 and the focus at 0, -2. So let's take a look at these 2 points. Okay. My vertex is at 0, 0 and the focus is at 0, -2. What that means is I'm going to have a parabola opening up. Actually, I don't think the focus isn't right on. The focus is in between, but it still tells me what this is going to look like, and it also tells me that I'm going to use x squared equals 4py as the standard form. All right, so I have numbers for pretty much everything. X squared equals 4. If the focus is at 0, -2, that means that that is 0p, okay? Which means that p is equal to -2. So -2, y. So I get the equation x squared equals -8y. All right, so as I was finishing this problem, I realized I had a problem with my sketch of my graph. I said that the vertex was at 0, 0, my focus was there. I just drew my graph incorrectly. I could tell that it wasn't correct, because if I solve for y, I'd get a negative a in front of x squared, so it has to open down. So what did I do? I went straight back to the book and just looked at the graphs again, confirmed that I had an error, and now we're going to move on. Okay, actually, I'm going to end this video. Got a couple more examples. I'll see you there.